괜찮아. 괜찮아.
Huh?
What is this?
Biobanker.
Welcome to Biobunker, the last immune cell, an educational bullet hell survival game that transforms biology learning into an interactive adventure. If you ever just stare at a textbook hopelessly trying to force yourself to remember the difference between a lysosome and a ribosome, well, you know exactly what I'm talking about. In this explainer, we are going to check out how a super brilliant group called Team Dante City create a highly engaging, fully interactive solution to this exact problem. They didn't just write out a better study guide, they actually built a video game. But before we get into their solution, let me ask you something right off the bat. Do you actually remember how a cell works? Think back to your chapter 2 biology class. For most of us, it was just a pretty painful exercise in rote memorization. We memorized the term just long enough to pass the test and then instantly forget them, right? It was passive, it was dry, and frankly, it wasn't effective.
Let's get into it. Level 1. The boss fight. We keep losing. So the reality is that at the matriculation level, cellular biology is super microscopic and incredibly abstract. And this creates a massive clash in education. Rote memorization versus system thinking. Handing a student a textbook that just pushes them toward passive learning, memorizing isolated facts like it's a grocery list. But biology isn't a list. It's a living, breathing, deeply interconnected system. To really get in, students absolutely need systems thinking. They have to see how all these tiny parts interact, synergize, and actually keep the organism alive. You just can't get that from staring at static images. Entertain density, how did they detect this?
Set in the year 2158, a powerful omega pathogen threatens the human body. Players take the role of an elite immune cell, defending the host cell against waves of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and mutated cancer cells.
However, Biobunker is more than just an action game. Every gameplay element is inspired by real biological concepts where knowledge becomes the key to survival. After each battle, players unlock biology-based upgrades. Before receiving these abilities, they must explore scientific explanations and complete quizzes. This creates a learning cycle where students learn, answer, apply their knowledge, and experience the results directly in gameplay. Throughout 4 biological chapters, players explore cell organelles, animal tissues, plant tissues, and host organ defense, each with unique enemies and challenges.
With features such as biological bosses and the emergency immune response system, Biobunker connect academic understanding with meaningful decisions. Through this combination of education and entertainment, Biobunker turns biology revision into an engaging experience where students do not just memorize knowledge, they use it to survive.
Thanks for watching.